When you are given a graph, how do we know that it has an inverse? So, you know that it has an inverse if it passes the horizontal line test, which says, the horizontal line test, I'm going to use these over here, says that as long as you can draw a horizontal line anywhere on your graph, if it only intersects at one point and one point only, it has an inverse. But if it intersects at more than one point, there is no inverse. So I can draw a horizontal line here, hits once. Draw a line here, it hits once. And for this one, it doesn't matter how many lines I draw, it's always just going to hit one time. Over here with this circle, now I can draw a horizontal line, and we can see here 1, 2 times. All right, draw another line 1, 2 times. That automatically marks that out, no inverse. Take a look at this. This is what a square root graph looks like. Draw a horizontal line 1 time. Draw a horizontal line 1 time. This graph is going to look almost like it evens out and goes completely horizontal, but it never will. It's always going to move slightly up. So this one always has an inverse. Now over here, this is the graph that we're given. This is a parabola, a quadratic equation. We draw a horizontal line, we can automatically see it's going to hit at more than one point. So no, this function here does not have an inverse.